Between 95 and 96% of personal injury cases are settled pre-trial, but your case might not even make it that far if you're trying to go it alone. Without a personal injury lawyer, you might not get the compensation you need to cover medical bills, lost wages, and more. In this video, we'll go over when to call a personal injury lawyer and how to get started today. Personal injury case. If you've been involved in an accident that left you with some type of harm or injury, you might be able to file a personal injury claim. Some common types of personal injury cases include car or motorcycle accidents, railroad accidents, and boating accidents. They also include work-related accidents in some cases, injuries due to a product malfunction, medical accidents, and more. One thing every personal injury case must have is fault or negligence. You must be able to prove the injury or damages you suffered from the accident were caused by someone else's poor judgment. Personal injury lawyer. As soon as you think you might have a personal injury case on your hands, you should get in touch with a personal injury lawyer. Let's clear the air. It's always better to talk to a personal injury lawyer than to try to figure things out on your own. Even if you don't think you need one, they'll be able to walk you through the process and help you get the compensation you deserve. Here are a few signs it's long since past time to call a lawyer. Nagging injury. If you were involved in a minor accident, you might think your injuries will go away on their own. But if the pain lasts more than a couple of days, you should take action. Get medical attention right away. Your health and safety should be your first priority. Then call a personal injury lawyer. Medical bills can get expensive, and a lawyer can help relieve the cost. Your finances. Medical bills might not be the only financial burden you have to worry about as a result of your personal injury case. You might have to shell out extra money to repair your car or other property. And on top of that, you might have to miss work due to your injury. If you're struggling with your financial situation after an accident, you should reach out to a personal injury lawyer. Never wait. You might not think your personal injury case is a big deal. You might want to wait to see how things go before committing to a lawyer, but this isn't a good idea. Remember, waiting to call a lawyer can make the process much harder in the long run. Evidence. A personal injury case is based on fault. That means you need evidence, but the evidence you need might not last if you wait to call a lawyer. Videos eventually get erased and witnesses forget. So it's always better to call a personal injury lawyer as soon as possible. Missing the deadline. You'll have a statute of limitations in which you can file your personal injury claim. In other words, you have a limited amount of time to take action. If you miss the deadline, you won't be able to do anything. The exact time frame varies from state to state and injury to injury. For example, the statute of limitations for a personal injury claim related to car accidents is only 2 years. If you've been involved in an accident and you think you can file a personal injury claim, get in touch with a personal injury lawyer as soon as possible. Call our firm today for help getting you started on the process right away. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.